What gives us strength in a world that is continually connected? Welcome to Power of Unity. This palette celebrates cohesion, trust and values we share. In an era defined by digital interaction, genuine connection becomes our most essential resource. Thrive energizes with vibrant green, a color of renewal and growth. Circle of Trust brings deep, dependable blue, steady and sincere. Togetherness radiates optimistic orange warmth, inviting and uplifting. Foundation grounds us in stable, earthy brown, strong and reliable. Together, these colors create spaces of solidarity, strengthening community and fostering connection through shared experiences.